It's Tim Albright with AVNation. It's ISE 2024 and the Legrand booth with Tom Van Ruiswijk from Legrand and Chief. How are you, sir?
I'm good, thank you. And how are you?
I am well. We're standing in front of the Tempo mount, right? You guys are now shipping that. It's available worldwide.
Yeah, indeed.
Talk for a second about what makes this mount so special.
Well, what makes it special is that it's an all-in-one solution. So if you buy one SKU only, you get the frame, you get 2 proximity plates to store devices behind your display, and you get the extenders to be able to pull the display away from the wall and be able to reach the equipment behind it.
So talk for a second about those extender plates. One thing that makes Legrand kind of special is you have several brands. You guys are able to kind of reach out to those brands and what they do special, pulling from things like Middle Atlantic, who are experts in mounting gear. So why is that those proximity plates so important?
Well, they work with our special forward clamps, and the clamps, they fit perfectly into the holes, and you can just turn them around and stick equipment behind it without using any tie wraps, and you can just reuse them again after you remove the equipment and replace it by something new.
All right, one thing I know about this display is the ability to bring it out from the wall far enough to where technicians can work on it. Why is that important?
Well, it's important because if you want to go to a customer, you want to be able to reach it quickly, and you can just take the plate away from this display and bring it to your office as well, and then come back to replace it.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
If somebody wants to find out more about Tempo or Chief, how do they do that?
They can go to legrandAV.com and visit our website to see all the information.
Very good. I'm Tom Van Ruiswijk from Legrand AV. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. It's avnation.tv. Find more videos from the show floor of ISE 2024. All that and more at avnation.tv. It's avnation.tv.